Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to create this slide and see how it looks like. Okay, let's take a look. You'll see it has a great effect. Now let's try to create this. At first, we need to add a new blank slide. You can format background and add your picture from insert. We add our pictures. After adding the pictures, select this to apply to all. Then we just need to write a text of Milan and copy that 3 times like we have here. Let me just create another copy of that. After creating copy, don't forget to send it to back and color this. Change the color, for example, to something like this. After creating that, you need to copy this slide, but before that you need to have this effect. How to create these shapes? This is just a black rectangle. Let me show you. We create a rectangle, send it to back, and then we paste our text. For example, let me just copy our text and paste it here, our text. Bring it out, and this shape we are going to color it deeply black and set the transparency to something low like this. And then we are going to reduce it in size to here. But before reducing size, we copy this slide and now reduce it in size to something like this. And here we select all this shape set Milan and go to shape and align the center and middle and bring them top and bring the text to the slide and set the transition to morph. Now let's take a look and see how it looked like. It looked pretty amazing. If you like this kind of videos, please like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the comments.